Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. In this time of pandemic, many of us are facing a huge trouble if we are in long distance relationship. Since we only have the option of technology available for us as far as communication is concerned, many a time we really feel it's too difficult to manage. Since the traveling is getting decreased and there is a number of problems arising in relationships. This video is basically for all those people who are facing some or the other problem if they are in a long distance relationship. All I want to say is that this particular time is basically the time to restart your life. Restart and rethink your relationships. We all are mature beings, and in this period of global pandemic, it is pertinent that we should think and ponder about everything that is important for the relationship to survive. It is very important that you remember that in the relationship, your own individual identity also matters. And apart from the technological communication that you people are carrying on, it is also important that you spend some me time with yourself. Since the entire world is now on the tap of your finger and you are either busy in attending meetings, webinars, or are doing work from home, apart from the mundane, monotonous life, there are a number of things that you should think about. I am sharing some points which I find needs to be put on an everyday basis for a successful and smooth running of long distance relationship. Avoid excessive communication. If you think that throughout the day, if you are talking to the other person for more than 2 hours or 5 hours, this is not going to help at all. The next is, if you want to live together, you first need to learn how to live apart. So see the long distance relationship as an opportunity of growth and development of your own being. Try to communicate creatively and regularly as much as is possible, but don't overburden yourself. Do similar things, enjoy alone time, stay positive and be grateful for whatever you right now possess. Gradually you will find out that things are getting easy for you, and as I honestly say that this too shall pass. Thank you.